Volvo Trucks Collision Warning with Emergency Brake is an advanced driver support system that puts a definite stop to the truck, using both radar and camera technology. To demonstrate the system, we put together a traffic situation where a car behaves unexpectedly when exiting. As an extra challenge, we conducted the demonstration in a curve. The radar and the high-placed centered camera reads the traffic situation constantly, even in a curve. The head-up display is lit up when the vehicle in front of the truck is too close. If an unexpected situation emerges, the system kicks in and puts a definite stop to the truck. Once the truck has stopped, the system checks if there is any reaction from the driver. If no response from the driver, the parking brake is automatically applied.
The collision warning with emergency brake demonstrates one of the industry's most advanced safety technologies. The vehicle takes control and brakes faster than any person. Professional drivers with their rich experience are able to read and predict most complex traffic situations. This is yet another step towards our vision of zero accidents.